Ta-da! Today's menu is Sotbap, which is Korean pot rice. It's gentle on the smudge and super delicious. I soaked some chickpeas and rice in advance. By the way, please bear with my camera skill. I'm totally beginner and I know the angle might look a bit funny. Let's start cooking. Olive oil goes in and then garlic. In Korea, we buy garlic in tube like this. Do you guys have this in your country? It's a game changer. I'm using beef around steak for the healthier option. Listen to the seasoning. I love this sound. Now the radish. I'm using a slicer because I'm not great with carving. Be careful though. I'm always terrified of cutting my finger. Once the beef is cooked, set the aside. Start fry the rice, add water, but just a little. The radish releases a lot of water, so you don't have to need much. Chickpeas in, radish in, lid on, low heat for 15 minutes. Now we wait. Alright, 15 minutes are up. Open the lid and give everything a good mix. The rice, radish, and chickpeas. Remember the beef with cooked olive? Place it on the top now. And wait, we are not done yet. Cover it again and let it rest for 5 more minutes. This final steam time make the rice perfect. Ta-da! It looks perfect, right? Oh, and look at these button mushrooms. I grilled them as a side dish, but oops, I totally burned them. Just look at this. But hey, surprisingly, they still taste good. The rice is so nutty and sweet, perfect balance. But honestly, it's a little bit rich. Next time, I definitely need kimchi. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.